Okay, there's those over there. Line those rubber grommets with the new clamp.
Any other wasn't always Halloween.
That was tight. Tight. Now is the time to put these out. Like this. And then. Not too tight. Those are in. The thing about these, you gotta align these bottom ones. And they screw into little clips, so pick up the clips. Pick up the clips in case they sag down, so you could line them all up. Listen now. Putting the fan in, you never wanna scratch those new fins. You want those in those tabs, the fan. Line those up. And it'll just go into place. You want that hose inside that. There's like a kind of horseshoe, like where it goes into the hose, locks into place. When you put this, go under that starter wire so you don't bust it off or something. And find the underneath the air filter cabin housing below. I put it in that white housing and then I slid it up in there. Right, hooking this up is better with, I mark the X, AA ambient air. Just that, goes like that one goes like that, the ambient air facing down. That one goes in down there, that plugs in there. See how you put that ball under that hook? Then slide it in that little horseshoe with the lock. See that lock, how it locks in? There you go. Just lined up. Rubber grommets goes in there. That goes there. That goes like that. That boom. There's a hole right there. This goes in front of it. And bolt it down. That one's the one with the little cup. Oh. There you go. Put it down there. Oh. Come on. Do what I did and hook up that line